Kinongelam bat kit khot jong ka nyotrap youth council akashi bhautarek ubnai naibeng arajar arpoar kilami surok sendet ban bersha ik pulit bat ki bors shar district jong ka east khasi hills alor ka jing penjari ka kindon ai shispa sapusaw CRPC ban khang bersha ya ka jinglum pat ba Kinongelam bat kit khot jong ka HYC kilalum hakmat umat kyang nang ba alat civil hospital Shillong harengkat ka jing perta penremnya ke sorkar pat ki menteri ki badan hapok ke sorkar MDA u general secretary jong ka HYC uba roy kupar sendrem ula penrem ru ye kene ke jingjia badula ong ba ka HYC kanam song kliti hadu bala yo ya ki mat jingdawa
HYC we came to the civil junction with an objective to show our condemnation on the police action. Yesterday, our members from Ramrai Circle, from West Khasil district, as part of the Safe Nyautrip mission, they went to Ramrai village holding placard with the message to show and to ask the Chief Minister as to what happened to the 9 points of demand that we have put forward with, before the government. But sadly, the police, when our members reached the place where Chief Minister was supposed to pass through, the police forcefully took out all the placards that our members have been carrying. They took away all the flags of the organization forcefully, and in the confrontation, some of our members have been injured. 3 of our members have been injured in that incident. So to condemn that incident that happened yesterday, as part of that protest, we came today in Shillong City to send a clear message to this government that HYC will not be threatened by these actions of the police, the district magistrate, or the government. We will not keep our mouth shut in order to demand for the rights of our people. And this promulgation of 144 CRPC will not keep us away from organizing this kind of protests in the city. From today or in the next few days also, these type of protests will keep on happening till this government take our demands seriously, and whatever we have demanded before the government, they should be implemented as soon as possible.